Hi, I'm Shanae with WTI. So parents, I want to show you something that has been an absolute game changer when it comes to changing those poopy diapers. And that is this bottom wash from Honest. I know this is kind of gross, but I'm sure other parents can relate. Sometimes you get those poops that are just beyond wiping away with regular wipes. They're thick and they stick to the skin, the really nasty ones. That's where this wash comes in handy. So it's actually a spray, so you can spray it directly onto your baby's bottom, and it just sort of breaks up the mess, so that way it's a lot easier to wipe off, so that way you're not using 20 wipes or so just to change your baby's diaper. The formula is really gentle and soothing. It's aloe based and it also contains witch hazel. Now my son has really sensitive and delicate skin, and this never leaves him with any redness or a rash. It has a very clean and fresh scent, so sometimes I'll actually just use this during regular diaper changes, so that way things stay fresh throughout the day. So this is something I didn't know I needed, but after using it, it's now a must-have in my diaper bag, but that's just my point of view.